Hey y'all, it's Kita and I'm back with another video. Here is my last custom order, probably of my career, because I really want to focus more on ready to ship reborns. So this is a set of twins. Yes, girl and boy. The girl's name is Jada. She weighs 5 pounds 15 ounces. And Jaden, the boy, weighs 5 pounds 14 ounces, and they both are about 20 inches long. Now, I rooted their hair with a very soft and curly mohair that I found in my stash. I can't remember who I got it from, but it's a really good hair. A really good texture of hair, actually. And again, mono rooted, one strand of hair at a time. Actually, it's a very detailed kit. Like, I love these little babies, but they have been painted with layers upon layers upon layers of paint, and then I actually seal them with a special blend that I use of varnish. And I actually picked out these little outfits. They're too adorable. They'll be going home to their mommy very soon. Since it's the holidays, I'll have to check in with her to see if she actually wants to fight mail carriers. But yes, they will be going home soon. Again, this is probably going to be my final custom order, but I will have babies that will be available. And once I finish a baby, it will be posted on my website, which is www.mysweetbabyreborn.com, and I'll actually put that information down in the description below. But yes, these are my little tots that will be going off with their mommy. I have fun doing these babies though. And they also have non-gender belly plates, but I didn't want to put those on for this video. Zoom in a little bit, because I'm actually behind a light right now, but I don't know. But yes, let me know what you guys think of these super sweet and adorable little babies. Let me know in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure you do so and like this video. Feel free to share it with your friends if you like. That would be awesome. But until we chat again, thanks so much for watching, and talk to you soon. And because I'm always forgetting something, please stay tuned for some pictures of the babies that I took. Thank you.